Leader, in view of what time do you want to leave here? You are on a scheduled flight, right?
Yes, at 4.
So take the shortest time possible. Junaid second in the shortest time possible. Thereafter, don't resist any temptation to raise your hand because I'll give you tomorrow. And come dressed in black, and our ladies provide ribbons for everybody tomorrow.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I beg to move that following the presidential proclamation issued today, 15th October 2025, regarding the passing on of the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, EGH, the former Prime Minister of the Republic of Kenya, and pursuant to the provisions of Standing Orders 33A and C, 31, 1, 97, and 259D, this House resolves to 1. Hold a morning sitting on Thursday, 16th October 2025, commencing at 10 a.m. 2. To adjourn until tomorrow, Thursday, 16th October at 10 a.m. 3. To extend its afternoon sitting time tomorrow, Thursday, 16th October 2025 at 2:30 p.m. until midnight. 4. To record its tributes by way of an exceptional motion. And 5. Exempt the exceptional motion on the tributes of the House from the resolution of the House of Thursday, 13th February 2025 on limitation of debate on motions and the provisions of Standing Order 97. Honorable Speaker, I beg to move. Honorable Speaker, as you have kindly allow me to take this opportunity to relay my condolences to the family of our former Prime Minister, Mama Ida Odinga, her daughters Rosemary and Winnie, and Raila Jr., and the entire Odinga family. Honorable Speaker, I know we'll have more time tomorrow, and as you indicated, in the interest of time, I don't want to say much at this particular time, but just to say, as you have said, that Raila Odinga has rested. Long live Baba, and we will all remember our Prime Minister as a great Pan-Africanist, the foremost son of Africa and our great nation. We will remember him in many ways, also as a father to our nation and a father to many of us, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, when the news was broken to us early this morning by His Excellency the President, it was a difficult moment because only a few weeks ago, I spoke to the former Prime Minister when he called to condole with me when I lost my dad. And he was upbeat, but he did indicate to me that he was a little bit under the weather and he will not be able to join us. But, Honorable Speaker, I will live to recall how whenever I spoke to the former Prime Minister, he called me my son. And may his soul rest in eternal peace. I think we will have more tomorrow, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Junaid, you order, say I beg to move. And Kimani, you have not moved the motion. I beg to move.
Honorable Speaker, I said I beg to move. What I forgot to say is I would now like to ask my brother and friend, the Honorable Junaid Mohammed, the leader of minority, to second the motion.